In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-sign with Pandadoc for beginners. Whether you're new to Pandadoc or just looking for a simple way to streamline your document signing process, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can e-sign your documents quickly and efficiently. First, let's get started by heading over to the Pandadoc website. If you're not familiar, Pandadoc is a powerful tool that allows you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents up to 40% faster. Open your web browser and visit pandadoc.com. This is where all the magic happens. It's your central hub for all things document-related. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option. It's typically in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up for one. It's quick and will be your main access point for all future documents you need to prepare or sign. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pandadoc homepage. This is where you can manage all your documents, templates, and more. It's essentially your dashboard, offering a comprehensive view of your document workflow. From here, navigate to the Documents tab. This is your go-to spot for accessing all your current and past documents. Now, it's time to select the document you want to e-sign. Simply click on a document from the list. This will open it up, allowing you to view and modify it as necessary. Once inside the document, locate the Content tab. Clicking here will allow you to view and edit the key details of your document, ensuring everything is in order before you proceed to sign it. Next, we're moving on to the most crucial step, adding your signature. In your document's interface, look for the Signature button. This is where you'll physically add your e-signature to the document. You can choose to either draw your signature using your mouse or stylus, type your name and choose a stylistic font, or upload an image of your existing signature. Once you've placed your signature where it needs to be, double-check all entries to ensure everything is correct. That's all there is to it. Easy, right? You've just learned how to navigate through Pandadoc and e-sign a document efficiently. It's a seamless process when you know exactly where to click and what to do. With Pandadoc, you can now handle documents with ease, creating, managing, and signing them swiftly. This not only saves you time, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy signing with Pandadoc.